If you've never had stir-fried cabbage before, this video is your sign that it's time to make one. I'll walk you through the recipe. First off, we need some chicken. We are going to season it with some chicken barbecue seasoning, with some black pepper, some white pepper, some garlic powder, and some stock cubes or stock powder. Now we are going to mix everything thoroughly just to make sure all our ingredients are well incorporated in the chicken. Then we add some water and boil for about 45 minutes. While it's cooking, we'll go ahead to dice our cabbage and throw it in a very big bowl, then add in some boiled water. This step is not necessary, however, I'm doing it because I want to speed up the cooking process, and I also love my cabbage when it's not too crunchy. It's important in this step to take out the cabbage immediately after you pour in the water. This is to prevent it from getting too soft. Now that our chicken is tender and ready, we are going to take out all the pieces and place in the air fryer and air fry till it's golden brown. Now we are left with chicken broth and chicken oil. Let's throw in our chopped tomatoes, our chopped red onions, which is very nice. I always use it for a lot of my cooking because it has a very strong flavor. And we let it fry until the tomato shrinks, the water reduces, and the color changes to dark red. At this point, add in all your vegetables. That means your bell pepper, your leeks, spring onions, and of course some yummy carrots. Let's not forget our flavors and taste. Go in with some garlic powder, some vegetable stock powder, some barbecue seasoning, and some ginger powder. If you like your food extra hot, then add in some black pepper. After sauteing for about 3 to 4 minutes, it's time to add in your cabbage. And then you keep stirring and making sure everything is well incorporated. Let's not forget our chicken. It's time to throw those bad boys in. And there you go, our stir-fried cabbage recipe is ready. This is a very easy to make comfort meal, and I can eat this once a week if I have to. Please let me know what you think about this recipe, and have you subscribed to my channel? If not, click on that subscribe button and join our community. We have so many yummy recipes in store for you. And if you've enjoyed this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and watch out for the next video. Bye.